So when's the last time you actually washed your hair tools? Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how I wash my natural hair tools. I haven't washed my hair tools, sadly, in a few weeks. So the point of this video is to share the importance of washing your hair tools, as well as showing you how I wash my natural hair tools. So what's the point of washing your hair if you're just gonna go and use dirty hair tools? It doesn't make sense. So as a professional hair and makeup artist, I'm always washing my makeup brushes, my hair brushes, my makeup products, my hair products, all things to ensure that I'm being sanitized. But why not take this same aesthetic, same thought process and do it to my own tools that I use on my own hair? If you're interested to see the steps I take to complete this process, then keep watching.
So you want to start by grabbing shampoo, preferably one that is clarifying. I could not for the life of me find one that was clarifying, and maybe I need to stock up on my clarifying shampoo. But once you get your shampoo, you want to begin to run hot water in the sink and fill the sink up with the shampoo and the hot water. Once you get the hot water and the shampoo all in one, you want to begin to add your hair tools to the water so that they can soak for approximately 5 minutes. So sometimes when I'm washing my hair tools for my clients, I like to use this alcohol on it and spray it. And I just wanted to show you that, to show that is what I do as well. But for my own products, I'm just going to be taking this small edge control brush. You can use a toothbrush. I did not have an extra toothbrush laying around, but I just went ahead and took my edge control brush and began to scrub and remove the hair from my hair tools. This is kind of gross, but also very necessary. If you have brushes, particularly with hair in them, you're basically just transferring over dirt when you just continue to use them. Obviously, we all do it. It's so easy just to go ahead and continue using your products without them being clean. So once you scrub all of your products and remove all your hair tools and remove all of the dirt, you want to rinse it off with the hot water as well and let the water out. As you can see, a lot of dirt, very gross. This is why I want to emphasize washing your hair tools before washing your hair, because you don't want to use dirty hair tools on your clean hair. Once you have rinsed all of your product or your hair tools off really well, you want to go ahead and either lay them out on a towel, or in my case, I just use just like a paper towel layered to give them time to dry, or go straight into using them if you're washing your hair right now.
Isn't this interesting? Isn't it interesting how you don't really do these things? When's the last time you done it? Leave a comment down below. What other tips do you have to share with people watching this video? If you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I am going to be doing more informational videos. I really want to know what you want to see from me, so be sure to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I think I already said that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. And honestly, like, outside of subscribing, if this video was helpful for you, be sure to share it with the next person so that they can also get this information. Check out these 2 videos here, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.